Hello everyone, welcome to Cook With Me. Today we are going to make the Wagyu beefcake. To start, we'll soak dried mushrooms in water. Covering the bowl helps them soften more easily. Next, let's prepare the dough. In a mixing bowl, combine 2½ cups of whole wheat flour with 3/4 cups of water. We're using a KitchenAid mixer for this. At first, the dough may feel a bit tough, that's normal. Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. After resting, knead the dough again. You'll notice it becomes much smoother. Now it's ready to use. For the filling, start with 1 pound of ground Wagyu beef. Season the mixture with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and 1 egg. Let's chop some bamboo shoots. You can use a food processor for a finer texture. Then add the softened mushrooms, also finely chopped. Mushrooms and bamboo shoots with the beef. Mix everything thoroughly. And just like that, the filling is ready. To the dough. Roll it into a log and divide it into equal pieces. Sorry, I cut it too small here. But please divide it equally into 12 pieces. This recipe is for 12 pieces of beef cake. Now, take 1 piece and use a rolling pin to flatten it. Roll in one direction a few times. Then switch directions for an even shape. With your wrapper ready, add a spoonful of filling in the center. Wrap it up like a dumpling. And be sure to pinch the middle tightly to seal. This helps to prevent any soup from leaking out during cooking. in the pan. Cook the first side for 3 to 5 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. Once both sides are golden and crispy, the beefcakes are ready. The crust is beautifully crisp, and inside juicy Wagyu beef, tender mushrooms, and bamboo shoots come together in every bite, with just a hint of soy and vinegar to balance it out. Savory, rich, and full of umami. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Simple, satisfying, and packed with flavor. Thanks for watching.